everyone! Today we're going to make this stylish basket using Bobilon Super Max yarn. It can also be used as a cozy bed for your favorite pet. The best part? We'll be working entirely with our hands. No crochet hooks or knitting needles needed. Let's get started. Make the first loop, then create 3 more loops. You should have a total of 4 loops. Now join the last loop to the first one to form a ring. The entire basket will be worked using slip stitches. Make another loop. We're going to start increasing. Insert your fingers through the next stitch and the following stitch. Pull the yarn through both loops and complete the slip stitch. Now make 1 more slip stitch into the same stitch. That's our increase. Make another increase in the next stitch. Continue working increases all the way around. We have 8 stitches. Now place a stitch marker. This will mark the beginning of the round. Round 2. Work without increases. You should still have 8 stitches. Move the marker to the beginning of the new round. Round 3. Work increases in every other stitch. Round 4. Make 2 slip stitches, then an increase. Repeat this pattern to the end of the round. Move the marker. Round 5. Work 3 slip stitches between each increase. Round 6. Work 4 slip stitches between each increase. As you can see, for the basket base, each new round adds 1 more slip stitch between the increases. For my basket, 6 rounds are enough. Move the marker and start working the sides of the basket. From this point on, work slip stitches continuously in the round without any increases until you reach your desired height. Now I'm going to add the second yarn color. This is how I join the new yarn while crocheting. Later, I'll weave in all the yarn tails between the stitches so they won't be visible. I've reached the end of the round. I cut the yarn, pull it through, and simply thread it into the neighboring stitch. Then I trim the tails, tie them together, and weave in the ends. And here is our beautiful basket all finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thank you for crocheting with us, and see you in the next projects.